I'm John Callas. Over the last 40 plus years, I've been a filmmaker, director, writer, producer, and it's been a fantastic career. I'm Emmy-nominated plus 9 other award-winning productions. I've had a great career in life, but it wasn't always that way. 10 days after my 3rd birthday, my dad died. And we lived in a very, very bad neighborhood and no visible means of support. I felt like the world hated me, I hated it, and lost my faith in religion and everything else, and just started spiraling down into depression, anxiety, and started getting into trouble, and my mouth got me into trouble. So my mother and now my stepdad decided to send me to military school. So at the age of 12, they put me on a train alone in New York City to venture to Virginia. And it was an incredibly harsh environment. The first night there, I got knocked out 3 times. By the time I reached 15 years old, I had it. The depression, the trauma, being bullied, no friends, the anxiety led me to saying, I can't have this rain pouring into my heart anymore. I've got to stop all this nonsense. So I walked down to the dock and stood at the edge of a semi-frozen lake and said, tonight it ends. And I jumped in, broke through the ice, went underwater, very cold. Water ran into my lungs. And for some reason, I don't know what happened. I just swam to the top, grabbed the dock and pulled myself up and sat on the dock shivering for a long time. And this thought hit me. I said, what am I doing? There's got to be something more to life than this. I have more questions than answers, but what I just did was not the answer. That was a turning point, one of many turning points for me. When I finished writing the memoir and I tried to get it out there, I didn't have any tools about how to get it out there. I found one of the ads from Cheryl on Facebook, and I listened to her, and then I went looking around the internet for her, and I discovered her background and what she had been through, and all of the places she gained media attention. I thought, wow, this isn't somebody pitching BS, basically. With Magnify Your Message, and now I'm in the Icon group, it really focused me on the steps to success, which means you then go out and speak on behalf of NAMI.
Nice. That is cool, John. Congratulations.
My tail has been wagging all day.
Really great work.
The experience has been phenomenal. I've gotten media attention.
Welcoming my special guest, John Callas, to Guys Radio.
When the Rain Stops, again, one of the best, most complete memoirs. And we just touched lightly on this, on John's incredible story.
I've got articles on Yahoo Finance, Fox, Good Men Project, and a lot of other places. And my message has reached over 555 million people. And that makes me feel really happy. The best part of reaching 555 million people is that my message is getting out there and it's helping people. So it's accomplishing what I set out to do. The way I target the audience now compared to the way I used to target the audience is monumental, because I would spend money on Facebook, like thousands of dollars, trying to do ads or Instagram or Twitter, and I got no sales whatsoever. But the way it's targeted now is I get in front of the media. And what's important about that is when I do an ad, I'm talking about myself. When I'm in front of the media and they put me on their show, they're talking about me, and it validates my message. My ad value equivalency is $5.17 million. The ad equivalency of $5.17 million is what I would have had to spend to get the exact same coverage that I got now. It's really because of the coaching and Cheryl and her team that I'm now feeling like, wow, this can actually happen.
It's a powerful look at having gone through a horrible journey as a child and coming out of it and finding joy and peace in adulthood.
I cannot thank Cheryl and you all for getting me further down the line than I've been in a long, long time. And I've learned so much, I could scream with happiness.